Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, Georgie, your turn.
Princess Georgie.
Good.
Good one. Whose turn now?
Sorry, turn this
Piper's
over,
turn.
There you go.
There you go.
Ooh,
Good try.
Your turn.
Emily's turn. Emily's first time ever, right? Emily.
Wow,
Hello.
Emily, good job.
Hidden talent there.
Now Zoe's turn.
Hidden talent with a never played before. Zoe's turn.
Whoa.
Good swing,
that's
honey.
hard from up
Georgie, your
here.
turn.
That's hard, and it's got a huge long back.
Yeah,
Good one,
Georgie.
buddy.
All right, Pipe, watch the ball.
Piper,
Watch
whack
the
that
ball.
one over the fence, Piper.
Oh, Emma, your turn.
She's got really
Zoe,
good
your
right hand.
turn.
Close, Zoe. That's
So
how
you have
hard.
a good swing.
That bat is like the size of your body. It's so hard.
Good one. Piper.
And Georgie, you get best dressed. Wait, she wasn't looking. Do it again.
Piper, you ready?
Piper wasn't looking.
Wait, hold on. Hold it like this.
There.
Oh.
Good one. Hit her
Right off
hand.
that inside fastball. Oh, you hit it again. Emily, your turn. Zoe,
Georgie, watch out.
bad pitch here. Zoe, you got another one. That's a bad pitch.
Whoa.
Close, Zoe.
If you hit it, you're going to slug it over the fence.
Balls.
Yeah.
George, your turn.
Princess George.
Uh-oh.